Whose doggy is that, Julia?
Piper.
Who does Piper belong to?
Pipe.
She's yours?
Yeah.
Do you love your doggy? You like to take her for swings? She likes to go for a swing, huh? Hey, Piper.
Ready, Piper? Ready, Piper? Ready, Piper?
She's ready.
Ready?
Swing!
Real pass. Real pass.
You want her to go fast? That's probably fast enough. Okay, now let her swing for a little while.